Oh my god, go, go, go.
Oh my god, the other mortar!
What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Uninsured, and today we're going to be using small fireworks to blow up some fruit and some other items, so stay tuned. Right, so the items we got today are some limes. We got... Sorry. Yeah, you're willing to do one?
No, I like my hydro.
Oranges, we got a potato, a bell pepper, a coconut, a weird melon, and I believe we're going to try some soda cans as well. So let's get right into it.
You're not going to be in it, dumbass.
Yeah, that's what I said, you can get them out here.
Wow!
Yeah, that's right. You can talk. Yeah, push a little harder, bud.
It's going the wrong way.
Yeah, probably.
No. No, it definitely goes right. You're gonna drill into his car, bro!
These are the fireworks we'll be using. Just a little, guys. Oh.
Aw. Cute one.
This one's a little sad.
Okay, okay, show us the damage.
Pretty sad.
Oh, that one smells like butt.
Oh. What is it, Maddie?
Ice cream man! Ice cream!
Oh, it's so overexposed.
Such a midget truck.
Nice and slow, buddy. Alright, attempt number 2. First one didn't go too good. We think we got a better seal here. Alright, Logan, stick it in.
Good.
Oh, technique there, right?
Oh, here we go.
Oh!
There we go. A nice open boy.
This is how you peel your lemons for your tacos.
Wow.
You gotta get it between the cheeks.
Need to go. You can't wait. Let's go. Nope. Too late. Check out the carnage. We got one piece over here. Oh, we got some lime on the actual camera too. Now this is a fresh lime.
Now that's an explosion.
Oh yeah, let's clean that lens.
Where'd he go? What, the bee? Yeah, like chomped on him with. That almost got my
You
hand.
do the same thing every time and you act like you don't learn.
Like what?
He doesn't adapt.
I don't adapt.
You know what the definition of idiocy is?
What is it, Logan?
Doing the same thing over and over and expecting this different result.
Right, Hope had the great idea to tape up one of these with the firework in it. Oh, don't do that. To tape it up and then roll it out like a grenade because why not?
We got a Marine here. Mr. Marine. You know what? I think you should throw it.
Can we
Chuck coconuts at each
Yeah, show us how it's done, Logan. What's the correct technique here?
Shut the fuck up.
Put us through the steps. You better yell frag out.
Ready?
Let me have the tape ready. Let me have the tape ready.
Let's go quick here.
All right, that's good. Go.
It's already
Call
wet.
it. Logan, you didn't say the terminology. Frag out! Oh. Oh, just a little guy. Attempt number 2 with the grenade. Didn't go as planned the first time. Hi, Logan. Yell it.
Frag out.
That sounded useless. Oh.
I went out.
Oh. It's the tape. It's holding it together. Oh yeah, that thing would have been. All right, we're moving on to oranges. Oh.
Some good orange.
Now that's fresh.
can I put one of these in a drop pipe?
Cover for it. Ready,
Really,
boy?
remember, you gotta shove it in there.
Oh.
Come on, come on. Let go of it, Hope. Hey yo, we're trying to film. Get out of here. No low flying
This
planes.
was actually kind of bad.
Yeah, that did some damage. Imagine that being in your hand though.
Yeah, I think I could take it like a champ.
Alright, let's do it.
You squeezed it.
Squeezed it too hard, didn't you?
Yeah.
We can still put it in there.
Here, just get to
Untamed strength right there.
That's that caffeine kicking in. Nah, that one kind of blew it in half. There we go, the carnage. Anybody want some orange juice? Alright, we're moving on to potato.
Dude, this looks so cool.
Potato
Look at
time.
Multiple in the potato.
Yeah.
At least 5.
that. I'm telling you why we don't want to. We want to shove it in so it stays in there because we set it up like that and they just
Yeah,
pop
no,
right
but you
out.
can't push in a
You can't push it in a potato.
potato. They're hard as rocks.
Well, I'm not sure about that.
Look at that. Just went right in. Safety first. He just has a torch right over his knee.
Yes?
Yes.
I don't know if I should have my camera that close, but we're doing it
Dude, we got a big potato.
Oh, we got some more gunk on the. Oh wow, look at the lens. Yeah, look at that.
That was video.
What are you doing?
Are you sanding a coconut?
You can see through that lens, sir.
All right, we're doing the bell pepper next.
Yeah, I would say just come off the green.
Pull it.
I'm just gonna make a little.
No.
No, I bought them. I love you, Maggie. He's like, this is boy stuff.
Whoa!
Yeah, a couple.
Please. I don't want my
Yo,
hair.
he said he wanted to take a bite of it. Let's go give it to him. Hey, Alex.
Take a bite.
Say you wanted to take a bite.
Oh my, that's smoky. That can't taste good.
Yo, that's definitely got explosives on it. Yo, stop.
Bro. Oh, there's treasure in here.
Crunchy.
Oh, there's treasure.
A prize in every one. What the heck is going on in here?
You can't blow this up, man. This is a good nut.
That makes sense.
We missed. It's the hardest part.
Putting the
Okay, guys, we're hand drilling now.
No, we have to strap on like 10.
Yeah, do it.
Welcome to the islands.
Oh yeah, a nice smoking coconut. Okay, did they?
Can I?
Good.
Alright, let's try this one. Ready?
Alright, smash it.
Smash it. He wants to smash it.
I
Hey,
think.
see if you throw it up in the air, if it'll smash. Ready? Oh, there's liquid in there, bro. Wanna pour it first?
Hey!
Yeah, that's what happened when we blew it up.
Yeah, that's what should have happened. All right.
Good.
We're going to use this empty soda can that we filled with water. We're gonna put one in and see what happens. Get back to work. That's a. All right, do we do a glass bottle?
I don't know if we have any more.
Actually doing stuff? Yeah, Logan. Oh yeah, it won't break the glass. Yeah, it won't break the glass. Yeah, good job. All right, we're preparing to get everything ready to go blow up the melon. We got to go to a secret location where we won't cause any fires or anything like that. So we will see you when we get there.
2 hours later.
No, like
That, yeah. Wait, no.
yeah, because it's the top, so it's gonna go.
No, this
it's
end
gonna
up.
shoot in.
This end up.
No, because
trying to shoot it up.
No, you want to shoot it into the melon.
you want to shoot it.
that.
But that's the thing. What if the fuse gets wet? We need to.
I don't think it will. Well, we have another one.
All right, so our idea is to put it into the channel. Maybe. I'm thinking
put
just
it
like,
right there,
That's
just
what I'm
right
thinking,
there.
so you can see it better.
Can see it.
Yeah.
Just put it on top of right here.
I think
Yeah,
we might have.
alright.
I think we might. It's easier.
Those skaters are gonna cause us some trouble.
Here's what I'm. Hey, if you make
Oh, disregard the fuzziness in the middle area. We got moisture under the lens somehow, I think from the fruit juice. So sorry about that.
If he gets the hole big enough,
That is really good.
you put it in like that, and you just stick the fuse out like this. I saw the blue shirt, and I was like, motherfucker,
Uh-oh.
dude.
Yeah, we're just having a melon.
I was just like, bro, just get all the way over.
Yeah, with this in my hand.
Alright, I think that's good. Let's just do it.
What?
Hey, just to let you know, we're shooting a firework in this melon.
Oh, you're good.
So, yeah, if you hear a big bang, that's what it is. All right, so he's getting set up, and we're gonna go get a view. Ridiculous.
Oh my god!
Move the other mortar, bro. What did he do?
The other mortar! Logan!
Oh! Oh!
Oh my God! Go!
Oh my god, the other mortar! I don't know. All I saw was melon land right in front of my face. And I thought we were in the clear. So then I looked up and then I saw a fireball in my face. It's scary. Don't put it in the car.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed us blowing up random fruits with fireworks. That last one was pretty incredible. Don't you agree, Logan?
I about died.
Well, catch us next time on Uninsured. Have a great day.